Tired of that old Facebook clutter? Let's blast through it and reclaim your profile in minutes. First, head over to your Facebook profile on your timeline. Look for the activity log option. It's usually found near your profile picture and cover photo. Click on that. Once you're in your activity log, you'll see various categories to tackle your posts. Select your post from the left-hand menu. This will display all of your past Facebook updates. Now, the magic happens. Facebook offers a convenient select all option. You can also choose to filter by year or specific date ranges to be more precise. After selecting the posts you want to remove, look for the next button, which will then present you with the delete option. Here, you'll find the delete button. Clicking this will initiate the bulk deletion process. Remember, this action is irreversible, so double check before you commit. Facebook will ask for a final confirmation to ensure you really want to delete these selected posts. Once you confirm, your chosen posts will be permanently removed from your timeline, leaving your profile clean and refreshed. This is a fantastic way to manage your online presence and streamline your digital footprint.